Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G82, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's just first open Gmail application, and after that tap here on the right upper corner. Now here we can see that we are logged into two Gmail accounts on our Gmail app, and now just to log out from one from these accounts in Gmail app, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So to do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device, and after that select one from these accounts. So for example, let's go with the first one. Just click here to remove account and confirm your action by click to remove account again. And now here in Google account settings, we can see that we stay only with one Gmail account, and let's go to the application back. And now here in the app, we can also see that we stay here only with one Gmail app. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.